What type of relationship exists between the number of gallons of fuel in the car and the number of miles the car is driving? This is positive relation and causal, positive correlation but not causal, negative correlation and causal, negative correlation but not causal. First, we have to know what is positive or negative correlation. We have positive correlation when both variables increase or both decrease. We have negative correlation when one variable increase and the other decrease. In this example, we have number of gallons of fuel and the second variable is number of miles the car is driving. The more miles the car is driving, the more gallons of fuel car used. So this is positive correlation. Both variables increase. And causal, it means that the first event caused the other. Driving causes fuel. So the relationship is causal. So our solution will be the first positive correlation we have because both variables increase, and this is causal because the driving causes fuel, so the relationship is causal. So this is my solution.